Hello everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. So in this tutorial we will actually learn about how to delete the Instagram story highlights on iPhone. So first of all we have to go into the Instagram, and in the Instagram now you have to tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom side. Alright, so now we are into our profile. Okay, so now we will simply delete the story highlights. Okay, so if you want to delete a single story, you just have to tap and hold on that story and you would have the option of delete the highlight. Okay, so we would actually delete the highlight in this way. Alright, but if you want to delete the multiple highlights or all the highlights, what you need to do, you have to tap on the three bars which are on the top right side. Okay, and you would see the option of your activity. You just have to tap on that, and in here you just have to scroll down and you would see the option of highlights. You just have to tap on the highlights and you will see all of your highlights here, and from here you can simply select all the highlights or the multiple highlights whichever you want to delete. So you just have to tap on the select here. So just select the highlights which you want to delete. So I would select the good morning, how are you. Okay, so I have selected the two highlights. I can also select the third one as well, but I am not going to delete this one. Okay, so let's just tap on the delete and tap on the delete again, and this would actually delete the multiple highlights. Alright, so this is how we delete the story highlights